The Belgrade water supply was founded 115 years ago, and over the years it had constantly expanded its capacity following the city's demographic and industrial growth. The government of Japan, through its International Cooperation Agency, has approved the Belgrade water supply, a donation for the implementation of projects to improve the water supply in Belgrade. Along with the main contractor, the Japanese company Ebara, Microcontrol participated in the project as the subcontractor. The scope of the project was to form a SCADA, that is, a supervisory control and data acquisition system for monitoring and controlling wells, distribution pumping stations and reservoirs, deliver pumps, frequency inverters and soft starters necessary for the reconstruction of 7 distributive pump stations, and renew the equipment for water quality analysis. The implementation of the project was divided into 2 phases. The goal of the first phase was to form a SCADA system that includes 155 structures in all. The MCC, that is the main control center, 1 location. The LCC, Local Control Center, 4 locations. Pumping stations of type A, with a local SCADA server, 14 locations. Pumping stations of type B, without a local SCADA server, 14 locations. Well pumping stations at 102 locations. Reservoirs at 20 locations. All the facilities are linked into a single telecommunications system based on Ethernet in. The design of the SCADA system as the initial phase of the project started in mid-March 2006, and the entire equipment, weighing over 24 tons, was delivered to the Belgrade water supply and sewage system by October. After installing and connecting the equipment at the facility, the SCADA system went into operation at the end of February. The second phase of the project, executed in 2007, was the modernization of 7 pumping stations within the city of Belgrade. Microcontrol's task was to produce the electrotechnical documentation, the installation of frequency inverters and soft starters with the required equipment into distribution cabinets, panels with the IP54 protection level, testing the panels with the installed equipment in the maintenance shop, to produce the communication software for monitoring and controlling the frequency inverters and soft starters. These panels became operational in the year 2008.